Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maron Trade here. So I'll be doing a little breakdown video on yesterday's price action on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin did, the price moves, and the trade I took. So I'll be kicking this video off from oh my god, this is my first video. I'm so nervous. I'll be kicking this video from this website called Forex Factory. Now, this website helps us day traders to be in the know, to be informed about fundamental news affecting the currencies we are trading. I trade USD and I trade Euro, I trade Pound, and I trade Aussie dollar. I do not trade CAD, I do not trade JP, I do not trade Japanese yen. I do not trade Swiss franc. I do not trade NZD, New Zealand dollar. I do not trade those currencies now. So these are the currencies I trade: Euro, USD, AUD. So there was no news on Pound this week. No news on Great Britain Pound this week. There's only news on Euro and USD. So these red folders stand for high impact news. Then all this kind of gray or ashy folder stand for bank holidays. We have Sunday, we have the week from January 5th to January 11th. We have Sunday, we have Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, we have Friday. So it's an informative website on what is affecting price for that week, and what day should you be positioning yourself to trade. So I was looking at Wednesday. Nothing really much happened Monday. Tuesday was good. Tuesday was crazy on Bitcoin. So Wednesday, I was looking for a trade setup on Wednesday, which I got. So let's get down into the video and let's see what Bitcoin did for Wednesday. Let me take this lipstick off and give a plain explanation on what time frame this is. Now this is the daily time frame. If you look down here, this is Bitcoin USD, and that was DD for day. So this is the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been bullish, bro. Oh my god, Bitcoin has been bullish since the Trump election and all that. So now Bitcoin is just trying to retrace and get a foothold on where to continue to buy, because we've been bullish. In terms of bullish, I mean as the price is going up like this, it's called bullish. Then when price is going down like this, is called bearish. So keywords, bullish and bearish. Now I'm only focused on this price action right here. This is Monday of this week. This is Tuesday. This is the Tuesday. Tuesday was crazy. Now Tuesday, see what the way Tuesday traded and closed, the down close day. So I was anticipating Wednesday to follow suit on what Tuesday did, continue the sales, and even Thursdays continue the sales as well. I'm looking at this low right here. I'm looking at this low. So it's either Bitcoin will trade through this low and and give us a hint of where it's going next. But for now, my target is this low for the week. So let me put on the lipstick and get down to business. So this is the daily time frame with my lipstick on. So this is the low I said I was looking at. This is the low of December, last month of trading, the lowest of the last month of trading. So this is low. What is the low of this candle? Look at these figures here. O for open, H for high, then L for the low, then C for the close of the candle. Now this is a basic, this is a candle, this is a candlestick, this middle of it, this is the open, this is the high, this is the low, and this is the close of the candle. Sorry, this is Thursday. Let me use Wednesday. This is the open. Wednesday open from here. This is the high of Wednesday, this is the close of Wednesday, and this is the low of Wednesday. So hence all these figures right here. So I was looking at this low on December low, lowest that December traded through. So this low on this candle came in at 91,311. So So that's the price point I'm looking at, 91,300. So 91,300 was the price I was looking at for the week. So now this box, this is an orange box and it's labeled as FVGD. Now FVG simply means fair value gap. What's the meaning of a fair value gap? Now you see these candles low and this candles high. You see the difference. It's clear. Assuming this candle wasn't here, you would definitely see a space in between this candle and this one, right here. So that's the space annotated with this box. I was waiting for price to get into this box, then from there give me confirmation of sales. I want to see Bitcoin, you know, continue the sales that this has been selling. I want to see Bitcoin continue the selling this week. So that was my thought process on Bitcoin for the week. So I was waiting for either Monday or Tuesday to get into this box, then show me something like a resistance. Show me resistance from this space or this fair value gap from the daily. So Tuesday did not even get to the space before reacting from it and trading downwards and closing in a down close day. And as I saw this move, and I know Bitcoin is really weak, could not even get to the space to even feel the space at all. So then Tuesday traded like this and closed. See the way Tuesday engulfs Monday's candle. This is Monday and this is Tuesday. This candle is definitely bigger than this candle. This candle is definitely bigger than this one. You see the way this candle engulfs these two candles. So now this was just hints and clues that the market gives when it wants to, you know, when it's in a bearish phase of price action. So these are clues and hints that the market gives. So you see the way the market traded through this high, this one right here, traded through, then Tuesday closing between Monday traded through this high, and Tuesday could not continue Monday's bullish price action of buys. Tuesday reverses and said no, I'm not continuing what you're doing Monday, I'm going to do my thing. So which is bearish. So now Tuesday closes bearish. I was anticipating Wednesday to do the same. So let's go down to the 4-hour and get more insights on the price action. If you're looking at this is just the weekly open. Is the opening price for Monday. I want to know the price that the week begins with. So that price will act as a support or resistance for me as the week is unfolding. So let's go down to 4 hours and let's get a better read on price. So now 4 hours, you see the difference now between 4 hours and the daily time frame. You see the candles are more. You see more candles. This is Tuesday's trading range. This is Wednesday. And in the 4 hour, what did Wednesday do? What was Wednesday seeking for? Wednesday took out this 4 hour low yesterday. And if you look closely, this candle's high and this candle's low, there's an imbalance right there. Fair value gap that you want to see price come and fill that gap, because price was just buying at this point. There was no selling at all. The sell just came in from here, then, you know, continued to buy. So when price is coming down again, I want to see this place get filled up and this low get violated, which it did yesterday. So this 4 hour fair value gap was my profit taking zone yesterday for Bitcoin. Annotate it 4 hours, yeah. So daily is being bearish, 4 hour is bearish, so there's no reason for you to be buying black candles. You're bearish. So let's go down to 1 hour for more insights and more candles. So this is the 1 hour time frame. From the 4 hour to the 1 hour, you see is more expansive now. The candles are much, and you see Tuesday's range. You see the sales from Tuesday and Wednesday, continuation from Tuesday. Now There are some things I'm going to say, some keywords I'm going to say, some concepts I'm going to use. Well, I just want to bring it to you, just a disclaimer notice on, I am not the author of all these things I say. The author of all these things, of all these concepts, of all this fair value gap and all that, his name is ICT. You can look him up on YouTube and you know, you could check him out, and yeah, you could learn if you want to learn from him. But I'm just trying to, you know, I'm just trying to make a video on the concepts that I use for my intraday trading, my day-to-day trading and analysis, and my thought process on what price is doing. So let's get back to it. And this is Wednesday, and this is Tuesday's trading range. This is the lowest. This is the lowest Tuesday came. This is the lowest Tuesday came yesterday. So I was watching this low. I was looking out for this low. I was when Wednesday opened, I was watching this low to see if we're going to violate that low, and which we did with this candle. This candle is obviously bigger than this. This candle is bigger than this one. This one is bigger than this one. This one is bigger than this one. This one is definitely bigger than this one. Then this one is obviously bigger than this one. So this low was violated with this candle. And let's zoom in a bit and see what did the violation leave. The violation left this fair value gap. The violation of Tuesday's low left this fair value gap. Now this fair value gap was my main point, or my point of interest, if you call it my point of interest for yesterday's trading. This fair value gap was my point of interest for yesterday's trading. I want to see how price will gravitate around this gap, which we saw. We saw price coming in, could not close above the midpoint of it. Yeah. So we had another candle again. Could not close above the midpoint of it. Another one going up again, could not close above. Had another one. Then we had this displacement again from inside the space that this candle that violated this Tuesday's low. This space between this candle's low and this candle's high. You see the way price got into it and could not reprice above, could not even close above. It was just going up and down, up then down again, could go up, down, go up, down, before finally BTC let loose, and aggressively we price into the fair value gap for the 4 hour. So let me put some lipstick on this low. So this is a Tuesday low. So this is Tuesday's low. This is Tuesday's low, and let me put back on Wednesday. All these lines you see, these are daily dividers. This is for Tuesday, this is for Wednesday, and this is for Thursday. See the way Thursday opened, and is still pricing down. Meaning Bitcoin is still so yeah. Sorry, I had a breaking transmission right there. So yeah, back at it. So this is Wednesday. And let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame and get more insights on how the day unfold, or how I got in an entry from this fair value gap, and my thought process, and the trade management and all that. So let's get into it. So this is Wednesday. This is Wednesday. Wednesday price action. Now you see more candles for the 15 minutes time frame. Now there are some keywords I'm about to use. Some lipstick I'm about to add on. So midnight open as midnight open as 0 and got 8:30 open. 8:30 open. Got me just the midnight open. Yeah, we're using just the midnight open. So midnight open simply means the day, the price that the trading day opens around 12 midnight. So now the pros and cons of midnight open and the rules behind the rules governing the midnight opening price. Now ICT gave guidelines to how to use the midnight opening price, which he said in a bullish day, if you're expecting the daily time frame, the daily candle to expand upwards, buying opportunities are best suited underneath midnight open. And if you're expecting the day to expand lower, if you're expecting a sell day like Wednesday, you see down closed, you see we had more of sales yesterday. If I'm expecting sales yesterday, it should be preferable for me to sell above the midnight open. So it's buy below and sell above. Now, not all days will give you the opportunity to sell above or buy below. Now today as an example, as a primary example, price, the only time that price got above the midnight open was around the early hours of the day, around 1, let's say Asian session. So yeah, so that was the only time that price offered us something to sell above the New York midnight open. Wish I was asleep at that time. So and now the price expanded, displaces below Tuesday's low, making this the high of the day. Making this the high of the day. And if with experience, you do not want to, with experience with the markets, and you might think, okay, the market is above, it's below the New York midnight open, it's a buy, you should buy. If it's below, no. With every trade, there are confirmations that there are narratives and there are build-ups. With every trade, there are confirmations that there are narratives and there are build-ups. All these gatekeepers saying fuckheads. So yeah, so saying now with every trade idea, there's a narrative and there's a build up to the trade. You do not just come into your chart and okay, it's below, let's buy, okay, it's above, let's sell. No, there's a context and there's a build up and there's a plan. So now my plan was from the daily time frame, seeing the bearish movement from Tuesday, as I'm expecting a continuation on Wednesday, which Wednesday did give, and feeling this the fair value gap on the 4 hour. So yeah, so that was the whole thought process of yesterday. So now with price not able to get above the New York open for a nice sell entry, then this fair value gap was my focal point for yesterday. Since price could not get above the New York open for a now sell for me, which I would prefer, but Bitcoin was really weak. It could not even get above this 1 hour fair value gap. So 1 hour fair value gap was used when fair value gap was used here when price came in. It could not go above, it came out, came in again, could not go above, displaces down, was consolidating, then goes back into the fair value gap, and lived a week and tried to go up again, then gave up a ghost and the price lower. So I was selling from here, and I saw that price got into it and could not, and expanded from it. I was selling from here with my stop loss above the New York midnight open, and I was expecting price to get to the fair value gap that I annotated on the 4-hour time frame, which it did. So it was a beautiful sell day. So it was a beautiful Wednesday daily down close day. So Wednesday was a daily down close day. Ooh, this is my first video. Oh my god. So this is the business. What I'm anticipating for Thursday, not much. It's post NFP. There's a huge news event coming on Friday, so Thursday might, it's up down movement, that type of movement. So I'm not really interested in Thursday in Thursday, but Friday comes NFP. So thank you for watching. Thank you, and stay safe and happy trading.